In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure the distance of a trip in Google Maps by dragging points along your route. So, let's start. In this example, let's go to the Orkney Islands. Tap it here with a keyboard. It's actually a nice place with a lot of archaeological sites in the north of Scotland. Okay, let's enable the directions. And now, suppose we've done a car trip from the town of Stromness. First, we have to change the departure here, as I don't want to use my current location. And I want instead to select a point in the map, which will be the ferry terminal of Stromness. Then, for the destination, let's go to Kirkwall and choose this place, which is a car park in the town center. Okay, this is the suggest driving route by Google connecting directly these two places. Now let's switch the map to the satellite view and imagine we want to measure the distance we made in a day trip around the island, visiting two places in the way, the Skara Brae site and the Birsay Palace. If we hover the mouse at any point along the route, we can see this label saying drag to change route. If I click and drag the pointer here, I can drag the route in order to go through a specific place. So I'm going to leave the pointer here in the Skara Brae site, and then I will pick another point and leave it in Birsay. Finally, let's pick another one and place it at Evie, because we traveled all around this road along the coast. So, this hypothetical trip is very approximate now, and we can see the total distance is 37.2 miles. If I want to make it more accurate, I can zoom in along the route to verify these are the correct roads, and also especially in the places where we added the points. For example, in Skara Brae, the point is not exactly where I want it, but I can simply click and move it to readjust the route. I'll do the same in Birsay. This time, the correct location is here. But notice that the route continues up to the end of this path. This happens because Google thinks the car cannot turn around there, so it extends the route to the end of the road. Among other things you can do here is, you can remove any point from your route by just clicking on it. Then you can add points until a certain limit. There will be a moment when you cannot add more, and you would have to change the position of your current ones. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.